Hi everyone, in this video I will be addressing the most commonly asked question because it's difficult to give a response to each question in details, and how much you can write, there is also a limitation. So number one question is, I am B Pharmacy student. Do I need to pursue a master's degree to be a clinical researcher or medical writer, or for that matter to pursue any field in a clinical research? So let's understand how it works. So if you see any job opportunity today, go to Naukri, LinkedIn, see the description of any clinical research job opportunity. On the demand, there is a bachelor degree. So if you have a bachelor degree, B Pharm, or BDS, MBBS, you are good to start a career in clinical research. A master's degree is not a mandatory degree. Of course, out of interest, if you want to do alongside a job, or that you can do, it may help you in a longer run. But initially, to start a career, most of the jobs, the education qualification which is required is a bachelor degree. But it is little different for life sciences student. If you have done BSc biology, then somehow it is a requirement that if you have done masters, it is better for you. So just wanted to share my experience based on the industry. Another question is that I am a PhD student. So I have done a PhD. Can I start my career in a medical writing? So the short answer is yes. If you are a PhD, you are a very good candidate to start a career in a medical writing. One is you are already having some writing experience, because as part I have seen the folks who have done PhD, they already published many papers. They write their thesis. So they have a good understanding of a stat. So all these combinations, makes you a very good candidate in a medical writing. And in fact, you can place yourself as a you say experienced candidate, right? Because you have that paper writing experience. Maybe you have presented in a conference, maybe you have prepared abstracts. So all those things you can put in your CV and show as an experience. So another third question which I wanted to address in today's this video is that I am a fresher, but the organizations, they are asking experienced candidate how I can start. So we, first of all, this may be sometime a test of your confidence and test of your abilities, or maybe a tricky question from our interviewers to understand you. Because just try to understand, everyone, they all started as a fresher. Now, I'll say that even someone throws on you this question that you are a fresher or we are looking for an experienced person, try to answer it smartly. First of all, you have that academic qualification of 13-14 years based on what degree you have done. So you pretty much you can say that I have all the theoretical knowledge of this field, plus I also have learned practical skills. Like you can showcase some of your project work. I know these days all the graduate student, they do one on another project. If you have done a master, then you must have done some thesis, some small research work, or maybe some research paper you have done. Not only that, extracurricular activities that you have done in your colleges, universities, tell them that while doing these, I have learned the importance of communication. I have learned the team working, because ultimately from experience, what they're expecting from experience, their expectation is that you should be having skills, that is communication, good communication, teamwork, consistency, hard work. And if you have done any activity in college, all students, they do one or another activity, you can show them, you can tell and talk about them, but that this was the challenging activity, what you have learned. Maybe some sport you are playing, so this is a bit of a tricky question. Don't say that I don't have experience and don't feel disheartened. In fact, talk about your skills, so then the person who is interviewing you, he thinks, yeah, this is smart person, they are thinking out of box. So I just wanted to touch on these 3 questions. Maybe I'll do another video on few other questions, right? So you can leave your questions or concerns in chat box, and like and share our channel. Thank you so much.